Installing the TCM compact weapon-mounted light on your handgun is quick and simple. Before I get started, a quick word about safety. Please be sure to read, understand, and follow all of the safety instructions for your handgun. And always double-check to make sure that your firearm is in a safe and unloaded condition before doing any kind of work on it. First, let's install the battery into the light. Unscrew the bezel on the light and insert the included battery using the orientation mark on the side of the light. Then, reinstall the bezel. At this point, it's important that I point out a very special feature on the TCM, the battery safe mode. If you look on the side of the light near the bezel, you'll see a double-headed arrow with the words off and on. You'll also notice a dot laser etched onto the bezel ring. When the dot lines up with the word off, the light will not activate. This is battery safe mode. In this mode, the light can be safely transported outside of its holster without any concern of the light coming on by accident. This is also a vital feature when needing to maintain zero light discipline. As you turn the bezel, you'll feel a pair of very obvious detents. The space between these detents is the safe mode. When you want the light to operate, simply turn the bezel ring until it stops and the dot lines up with the word on to take the light out of battery safe mode and reactivate the switches. This very special design makes it impossible for the light to end up in the wrong mode accidentally. Next, your new TCM comes pre-installed with the C1 modular rail insert. This configuration is perfect for approximately 70% of the handguns on the market. If, however, this doesn't fit your handgun correctly, use the included Allen wrench and one of the other included inserts to the fit that best works for your specific firearm. Next, push in on the cross-tension screw and rotate the light onto the rail of your gun, making sure that the insert is fully seated into the slot of your handgun. The final step is to tighten the light onto the gun. The easiest way is to use a coin. A quarter or a nickel works equally well, and simply start tightening. Once it's snug, give it a little extra turn just to make sure that it's fully secured. That's it. You're ready to go. Just be sure to periodically check the insert and the cross-tension screw for tightness. If you have any questions or if we can be of any assistance, please contact our customer service department by calling 800-233-2155. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.